In California, the best interest of the child is the standard that the courts use in order to determine what custody orders to make or what orders to make related to your kid, what school your kid's going to go to if you're fighting over what school your kid should go to, who has your kid on different holidays, who's going to have parenting time and get to take the child on vacation. Every time the court has to make a decision related to how you're going to share custody of your kid, it goes back to that best interest of the child standard. And this is a very subjective standard, right? What I believe is best for your kid might be a little bit different than what you believe is best for your kid, right? And so you have to imagine that if you're unable to reach agreements with the other parent, the person that's going to decide this is going to be the stranger on the bench, a judge, right? So in the best case scenario, if you're able to reach agreements with the other parent, that's great if you align and you can both agree what's best for your kid. But if you're needing help from a divorce attorney, it probably means that you're having a hard time agreeing with the other parent, or maybe you have very different values as to what would be best for your kid. And that's when the court can be involved. Also, mental health professionals are involved in the court system in order to help the judge determine what's best for your kid, because the judge doesn't really know you, right? The judge gets to see you for maybe 20 minutes at the hearing with your attorney and then has to make this snap decision as what's best for your kid. And sometimes judges make great decisions, and sometimes judges make really poor decisions. Hopefully no judge is watching this. So, really what's best, if you have a kind of complicated issue or an issue involving mental health of your spouse, sometimes it's best to use a mental health professional. And what that mental health professional can do is they can do an assessment of the other parent and observe the other parent with your child and speak to collateral contacts, which may be our friends, family members, your kid's teacher, and better learn what's best for your kid.